Even though we've parted, love for you remains. In dreams where we have started, in soft whispering strains, I dream of our embrace, together once again. A love I can't replace, in whispers with the rain. You are still my everything. In my heart you reside, waiting for the day to bring us back side by side. Shadows of your smile